Okay, if you've got your finger hovering over the Buy Now button on a drone right now, stop, just for a sec, because what's leaking out about the DJI Air 4 might be the one thing that changes your mind completely. And I'm not just talking about the camera. Stick with me, because the price rumor near the end of this video might be the most important 30 seconds you watch all week. DJI hasn't said a single official word about this drone. Not one press release, not one teaser post. And yet, between certification filings, prototype sightings, and leaks from people who've apparently gotten hands-on time with early units, we've somehow pieced together a shockingly detailed picture of what's coming. So, let's get into it. Let's start with the part everyone actually cares about, the camera. Multiple leaks are now pointing to something DJI has never really attempted in the Air lineup before, a dual camera setup built around two separate 1-inch CMOS sensors. If that holds up, this isn't a small spec bump. This is DJI closing the gap between its mid-range Air series and its flagship Mavic line. And that's a big deal for anyone who's been priced out of the Mavic but still wants serious image quality. Two larger sensors would mean cleaner shadows, better dynamic range, and the ability to switch between a wide shot and a telephoto shot without that awkward drop in quality you usually get when a secondary lens is an afterthought. That's huge for travel creators and anyone shooting in tricky lighting like golden hour or dense forest canopy. But, and this matters, not every source agrees. A few leakers are describing something more conservative. One strong 1-inch main sensor paired with a smaller secondary telephoto camera. So, take the dual 1-inch story as the exciting version, not the confirmed version. We genuinely won't know until DJI opens its mouth. Beyond the sensors themselves, there's chatter about a reworked image processing pipeline. Think improved HDR video, noticeably better low-light footage, and refined color science that's closer to what colorists actually want out of the box. DJI has quietly gotten better at this with every single Air release, so this feels like the safest prediction on the list. If they also expand the available color profiles and bump up the bitrate ceiling, this could end up being one of the sharpest, most flexible cameras in its entire price class. Now here's where it gets interesting, because there's actually a disagreement happening in the leaks, one that could decide whether this drone is legal to fly casually in half the countries watching this video right now. I'll get into that in a minute, but first, let's talk about how this thing actually flies. Prototype chatter suggests DJI is pushing hard on omnidirectional obstacle sensing and possibly adding LiDAR-assisted detection to help the drone see in conditions where regular vision sensors tend to struggle. Think sunrise, sunset, or flying through shaded tree lines. If accurate, that's a meaningful safety upgrade for anyone running automated flight modes. There's also word of a sharper, more predictive ActiveTrack system, meaning the drone should hold on to a moving subject more reliably even as they cut through complex environments like crowds or trails. On raw flight performance, most leaks are converging around 38 to 40 minutes of flight time, a real, if modest, jump from earlier Air models. That extra runway comes down to better battery efficiency and cleaner aerodynamics. And honestly, a few extra minutes in the air adds up fast when you're chasing a specific shot before the light disappears. Expect continued improvements to wind resistance too, which has quietly become one of DJI's biggest selling points against cheaper competitors. As for the connection between drone and controller, the leading rumor points to DJI's O4 Plus transmission system, which should mean longer range, lower latency, and a noticeably more stable live feed, especially useful if you're flying somewhere crowded with wireless interference, like a city center or a festival. There's a smaller, less supported rumor floating around about O5 transmission, but right now that one's thin on evidence, so don't bank on it. Okay, here's that disagreement I promised you. Some certification listings and prototype leaks suggest DJI might be building the Air 4 to land under 250 grams, a genuinely big deal, because that threshold determines whether you need to register the drone in a lot of countries, and it changes where you're legally allowed to fly it. Other leaks, though, describe a larger airframe, closer in size to the Air 3S. Right now, these two stories flatly contradict each other, and until DJI actually reveals the thing, its final weight is honestly one of the biggest open questions hanging over this entire release. Now, the part you've been waiting for. Based on how previous Air launches were priced and where current rumors are landing, the standard DJI Air4 could start somewhere between $899 and $999. The Fly More combo is rumored to land somewhere between $1,199 and $1,399, depending on which accessories DJI decides to bundle in. And if that dual 1-inch sensor rumor turns out to be true, don't be shocked if pricing lands toward the higher end of that range. A camera jump like that doesn't come cheap. As for timing, recent certification activity is one of the strongest signals we've seen that this launch is genuinely close. Most industry insiders are now pointing to a late 2026 release, though a handful think it could slip into early 2027 depending on how quickly regional regulators sign off. So if you've been eyeing an older Air model on sale, this is exactly the moment to pause and ask yourself whether it's worth waiting a few more months. Look, none of this is official yet, and it's worth treating every number here as a rumor until DJI actually says otherwise. But between the camera jump, the possible sub-250 weight, and a transmission upgrade, this is shaping up to be one of the most genuinely exciting Air releases DJI has ever teased. So here's my question for you. If even half of these leaks turn out to be true, is the Air 4 actually worth the upgrade for you? Or does the Air 3S still get the job done? Drop your take in the comments. I actually read them. And if you want to be first in line the second DJI makes this official, go ahead and hit subscribe because you do not want to miss that announcement.